Yum. So, I ate my breakfast, and now I don't know what I'm doing. But maybe it'll be something cool. It's like pouring outside, so nothing outside, that's for sure. Look at this bright light, though. Now look at my face. Got some rain going over here. Anyway, go back to my Q&A. The first video. Go back to my first video and submit questions for the Q&A so I can do something interesting. Gosh. Thank you guys all for watching today's vlog. Again, I say this every single day. Anyway, tomorrow should be a much more interesting vlog than it has been past couple of days. And it's like 11:30, and I haven't even started out editing this vlog, which is not normal for me, but it's what happened. So I gotta do this because I'm so tired. I was streaming a video game. I got a lot to do. Not a lot of time to do it. Well, see you guys later. Peace.